attach it very carefully.
So I fix it, all of them. Line.
Some glue. I'm having red, white, and black. We use this soldering iron to help us to attack it. And if you want to remove it without using force, we apply this one, this soft one or the hard one, and we melt it.
Yeah, some tools we use to repair them. So here is the workstation, and here is the soldering iron. If you want to remove, if you want to solder something, you can remove it. You can use this. It will make your work easy. And here is the soldering paste. Soldering paste we have two. Here is the soft one, and this one is the hard one.
This one is the glue. It is used for gluing. Like when you open your screen, you separate the screen and the touch. If you want to bring it back, you want to connect it back, you use this glue. And we also have this spray. It is used for spraying. For cleaning. If you want to clean your board, you take a brush, you spray it inside the brush, and then you use it, you clean your board. If you want to remove your screen, you first heat it. You know the screens the glue will be holding. You heat it first before you remove the screen. After the heat, so you take the rubber. These ones are rubber. So we have several kind of rubber. So you will take this one and easily remove it.
The workstation is used to heat. If you want to heat something so that it will be easy to remove, you will use it at heat.
Or to fix anything.
Yes. The thing is, it's not hard like this thing is not many there. We use it for an art so that we can press it easily and you have easy press. And the pasting paste, the paste. The surgery paste, we use it to apply.
How many types of surgery paste do we have?
We have two. Two. The soft and the hard one.
Which one is the soft one?
This one is the soft one, and this one is the hard one.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you use it for?
We use it for pasting things. When you want to paste things, we apply there so that it will be easy to paste. And when you want to remove it, you can apply that and it will be easy to remove.
And if you want to solder anything?
Yes, we use it and apply there so that we make it soldering easy, and it will give you the lines that you need to sew it inside where you are soldering.
So you can also see I disassemble the phone here. I'm assembling it back. So I put the back frame and I'm screwing it.
Okay, for me, I open everything. I'm just putting my gum there so that I can close the phone. Attach it together with the screen. Just easily attach it. When you are attaching, attach it very carefully so that you don't make the other parts. Okay, if you are done with that, just hold the size and press it easily. Now it's done. I'm just going to attach it to the motherboard. That's it. Easily. That's the frame I'm coming to attach. See? Easily so that you don't have any problem with it. And this is the motherboard. I'm coming to attach it here. Okay. You see? Just take it easily. You should know how you move it and how you're going to take it back.
Okay.
So return it back. Easily this back in here. Yeah, for that. And this is it. Sorry. I should disconnect this one. Okay, you see? Putting it back. As normal.
Okay.
Explain.
I open the room and I'm closing it down. I've already closed it. Back the battery there. This one. I open it all and separate the screen and the touch with the frame. And I put it back also. I close it. And then
I'm trying to make the camera system. Alright. I want to fix the camera system. So I must use this one to point it here with these 4 ones to point it so that if I
One again.
as what you say, yes, this is my first time to repair phone. So I just want to make something of it. So that's why I want to repair a phone.
yes, I'm trying to fix the motherboard back. The motherboard is, the components are attached to the motherboard, so I need to use the, how to call it, the soldering paste, the hard one, melt it with the soldering iron. Opening the phone before I open all the screw to have access at the screen connectors, everything I remove it, so I fix it, all of them, all the screws, so I'm done with it. So I'm closing my phone for now.
I'm trying to fix the back cover, so I'm applying some glue on it so that it will be easy.
Tell me.
I'm fixing the frame. So now take the screw
And that's it.
What are you doing? What should you do?
I just want to remove this charging system. And if you apply it so the soldering paste, you hit it. You see? You hit the corner.
So we close your
Maybe hold it first.
Your is closed.
Right, the one is closed.
And if you want to fix it back, sorry, you use this one. The hard one.
No.
You have to clean that place. After cleaning it, you use the hard this thing, the hard piece. Use this one. It's actually
This is what I learned.
you use the heater. You hit it. You see? You hit it. And then you paste the symbol. Please fix. It is clean. So you use
Where is the phone I give?
Ini harga yang disahkan. Esta kuligonda nyumba.
It's not straight. What are you doing?
I want to connect this.
What are you doing?
The carrying for
Okay.
You don't
The
place
problem of this phone, that
Here's
is
the
the
button.
screen. We have screen problem. So
Open it.
I remove this cover first, and after that, I remove the frame, remove the motherboard. Okay. I come, I hit it. I hit the screen. Okay, then I use the hot gun to hit it so that the gun can, leave it because it's very hard. After that, I use this plastic to remove it easily so that I don't put myself for any damage. And here I should be very careful here because here is the connector pin and here. Okay. So I remove everything. Now this is the new screen that
Where's the bad screen?
the back screen here. I see. Take it video, good video.
So it's working?
Yeah, the phone is working right now. We are charging it to see what is the problem, but everything is good now. After that, we don't fix everything yet, just testing. Yeah.
Yeah. No. Concentrate on what you are doing. When you open it full, you should know how you open it. You should close it the same way. If you don't place this cable properly, how can you close the phone? No. Crazy. Next time you remove all the engine, you see? It plays, then you clip it. Simple. This is
Class. Like I am Rohinda. So this is my first time doing web repairing and with the help of our teacher. The first day that I came, we start with the tool materials. This is the toolbox that we use. Okay, like if a client give you a tool, you should check the back and see if it is sealed or not sealed. And this one is a sealed phone, it's Samsung. This one is Techno. It's not sealed because you can use plastic to open it. And this one you must hit the back first before opening it. Then you start with the Samsung test. This one before opening it, you must check it properly because the back has glass. It is glass. So you must use the heater first and heat it so that the glue will it's very easy to remove. After you can use this plastic. It have different types. You can use it to start, don't start it up here, you start it down here. Because it is a glass. It can shatter like anytime, like it's very careful sometimes when you are removing this kind of food, you use specs. Yeah, they have glasses that you use for this. Okay, you can remove it easily. Then removing it, you remove the cover, you go inside, you unscrew everything. And this tool you should keep it very careful because it's very sensitive. You can fall down, you may see. After that, you disconnect. You disconnect everything. After disconnecting it, you remove the motherboard and you remove the frame first. After you can have access to the motherboard, you remove the motherboard. After that, you come to the screen. You come to the screen now. You see, because the screen too is sealed, so you must use the hot gun. That is it. You must use, so you should use that to hit the edges, the size. And when you hit it, when it is not properly hit, you can't remove it because it's sealed now. After you should hit it very well. After everything will melt, you can have access to open it easily. When you open it, it has connector inside. The screen has a connector inside. You can remove it very carefully. Okay. You can remove it easily. Okay, you can remove the screen and you pack it. Use the other, the new screen that you want to fix.
remove the engine.
you can use that one. And that one, when you are using it, you should be very careful because it's a used screen. Before you put some glue on it, you must test it first. Put the screen, you put the motherboard and the charging system, put everything. After you plug it and charge and see whether it is going or not before you glue everything.
Want to eat? You want to eat? Things don't go together.
See, can it possible to have this one in family? Then this one is different. In the morning I cleaned it up. It was charging small, non-stop. What is your saying?
The screw, only hold this. Hold it. Good. Where's the star screw? Four corner.
How come pin one?
The screwdriver is not good.
When we get
Disconnect the finger pin. Battery connector. Battery connector, yes, next time. Take this back and remove it. No, no, okay. Only. Easy, come forward. No, easy. Finish. No. Why are you touching the engine? Why the engine out? Only the screen you're fixing. No. No. Open the screws here. I don't trust it.
Anyway.
Sorry. She bent the cable. You kidding me? You are struggling here.
Okay.
Sit properly.
This phone is having screen problem and I want to fix a full screen. So I remove the back cover and then the frame unscrew it. I disconnect the connectors and then now I'm going to hit this screen. So
So I want to heat the screen so that it will easily remove. So here is the hot gun. This one.
No, we need the online.
At the top, you're having the connectors. No. Straight it. So that you do not spoil the screen. Easy. I hope the heat is okay. The heat is okay. You use the card. We'll put that. You're going to hit press screen the same time you use hit button. One again for bar. There. Good. Easy. Hit for 2 6. Get about that. Banana. I use this. Easy. Get out of there. No, this one will on. Turn check my body. Okay. Barbosa. Simple. They change this up. No, I don't think so. You see a pin also.
Hey, what's your name?
You want to buy?
This one is in new screen. I'm fixing it.
You blow this one. Everything.
My sister. Yeah, this long. Like your one is not long. No, specify. Like your one is not long. So it's not like mine. It's not like one of mine.
Okay. So if you fix it before putting the gum, you first connect all the connectors. These ones are the screen connector.
That's it.
The problem of the phone is that if I want to dial, if I press
Okay. Continue.
dial, if I press OK, the phone will switch off.
The screen will go blind.
Yeah, it
And
will
then
go
that
blind.
112 we all see. Because there is no SIM card.
You see, if you press dial, the screen will be blind. Nothing will come unless you put it on here and then you remove. Sometimes it will come, but sometimes it will not come.
Good.
That's the problem of the phone. I open the back cover,
You
open the frame here, I remove the screen connector and then the internet cable, I clean it, but still I return it, still it is not working.
Okay, now remove it again. Open this plug again. What caused that is the sensor. Here is the sensor. The sensor cannot communicate with your body. That's why whenever you make a call, the screen went blank. Everywhere you see this, it calls sensor.
Beside the camera, right?
No, before the camera or after the camera. Then you attach small socket. Fix everything winter again. And then you can do it because you fixed it before without asking any help. You just want to fast start it, then put your frame again. If you face the same problem, so it will work 100%. Before changing the complete sensor, this is the first step you take. It's about the sensor.
Hi guys, my name is Lalanda. I am here today since I started mobile repairing. I have no experience in opening iPhones. I was dealing with Samsung, Tecnos and Itels. So today I have been given it to open an iPhone today. So on behalf of the class, can we all put our iPhones? Bye-bye. Maria, yours. Hi guys, my name is Maria Majete. So I'm here today because I have an iPhone. I want to open it. So I thought opening iPhone is a big problem. But today my teacher gave us the opportunity to open an iPhone. So here I am. So let's go. Where are the tools? Okay, now I have the tools here. Okay, I have the two screws here. So here. Okay, after my training, I understood that the connectors are up here. So to avoid damage, I should not start opening up. So I should start down here. Easy. I have to make it easy. Here it is. Now I disconnected everything. Wow. It's up with the battery now. Let me check whether I have any screw. No screw.